Hi everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I did show you how I unboxed my new Aobosi slow masticating juicer, and today I'm excited to show you again how it is in practical, and I will be giving you my honest review based on my experience of using this juicer for the first time. Do well to stay tuned, watch to the end of this video, and then it will help make an informed decision if you're looking at upgrading your juicer or you're looking for an affordable juicer to get into your kitchen. If you haven't watched the last video where I show how I unboxed this premium juicer, I'll be leaving the link below the description of this video. Please do well to click and watch it. So today, to launch my new juicer, I'm gonna be using carrots, beetroot, apple and turmeric to extract my juices. So I've already washed all my fruits. I'm just going ahead to cut them into tiny chunks. Although the juicer have a bigger feeder up there that I can just throw them in without having to cut them into pieces. However, I don't want to take the chances. I don't want to take the risk because this is my first time using this machine, so I'm just taking my time to cut them into tiny chunks, and I'll be feeding them through the flip lid that is at the top of the machine. I love carrots and beetroot for their health benefits, and I'm going to be making separate videos on them. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so and turn on your notification so that you'll be notified of these videos as they drop. So as you know, carrot is very essential for your eye health, skin, immune system and heart health, as well as beetroot is good for your blood pressure, helps in detoxification, improves stamina, and is also anti-inflammatory. There are a lot of benefits attached to beetroot. I'm going to explore more on this in my subsequent videos. Apples also are good for digestive health, your heart health, the blood sugar, and it's also antioxidant, as well as turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It helps in improving your brain health and also for liver support. So that's why I decided to combine all of this together to get the most out of them. If you haven't tried this combo before, I will advise and encourage you to try it, and then give me a feedback in the comment section. If you have tried it before, also do well to leave a comment. So when I was done cutting all of my fruit into smaller pieces, I went ahead to feed them into the juicer through the flip lid. I started off with my carrots because I just felt it would be an easy way for the juicer to start off its work. So you could see you see the pulps being separated from the juice, and the pulp anywhere appeared to be dry, very dry. However, I feel like they were not really masticating, if that's the right word to use, but it came out the pulps really came out dry, which means that it has extracted all of the juices from the carrot. To be honest, this juicer does the work. It does the job effortlessly. And one good thing I love it especially is because it doesn't make noise. I mean, it's very quiet. So if it's good if you have a baby, a little one in the house sleeping, or you don't want to disturb your family while juicing, so nobody will even know what you're doing in the kitchen. It's very quiet and it does the job without stress. One mistake I made that I almost cost my juicer or almost spoiled my new juicer was feeding the juicer with the beetroot leaf without having to cut it into smaller pieces than it was. Please don't make that mistake, because at the point I had to manually use my hand to pull it out for the machine, which I can't fault the machine for that, because I didn't cut it, and it's written on the manual that fruits like this should be cut into pieces. If you want to juice the leafy part of the beetroot, or if you want to juice something like vegetable like celery or spinach, all those long vegetables, I will advise you cut them into smaller chunks before putting them into the juicer. You can see the exit thereabout is a bit tiny, so if you don't cut it, it will not be able to come out well. The pulps will not be able to come out freely. So this is me. I'm done juicing. I actually combined the beetroot and the apple together, and then turmeric and carrot together. But when I finished, I decided to have a taste of them all. So I mixed both the beetroot and the carrot in one cup, and then it tastes very lovely. I will advise and encourage you to try this in your own kitchen, and then get back to me with your feedback. So it was a bit concentrated for me, so I decided to add a little water just to dilute it a bit. In my honest review, I think the juicer delivered its job as promised. Like I said earlier, it is portable, which means it's suitable for a smaller kitchen, and it is affordable, very quiet when working. However, one caution, which is also written on the manual: if you are juicing at the stretch for up to 15 minutes, do well to switch it off for a few minutes before continuing, just to give the juicer a break. Please note, at the point of making this video, I have not been paid for any promotion of this juicer of any kind. However, I have an affiliate link with Amazon, which I'm leaving the link below. If you purchase it through my link, I'm going to be giving a little commission, which will help support this channel. Thank you. This is my beetroot, carrot, turmeric, apple juice combo. I added a few cubes of ice just to give me that nice chilling experience. It was a hot day, the day I made this video. It was a hot day, so it wasn't bad adding some ice cubes, and which really made a difference. I enjoy every drop of this. Thank you for watching this video to this point. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, turn on your notifications for more juicing videos from me. See you next time. Bye.